2 left open, don't. 90. 2 right minus, hook, neat. Full tyre, 130, crest bump, okay. 170 down the middle, deceptive lane, 3 right plus, hug after the bush. 40. Short, 2 left plus. 60. Flat crest and shortish, 4 left past the roof, slippy 100, stop, crest 40 down, 3 right buck, and 3 left buck, small lip. 200, over bumps. 4 left, plus, clip in the wall, over crest, buck, and 6 right over bumps. 60, 5 right hook over buck, and 4 left, minus hook, over crest, hook, 80, 4 left, foot closes. 100, small water, care, 3 right plus mud. 40, care, crest, slippy, 3 left, minus gravel, mud at the gate. 80, 3 left plus jolt, rock, and flat 4 right hook. 80, stop, jump, only 40, short, 3 left plus short, 2 right plus hook. 100, flat 6 right over brow. 100, shortish 3 left and 4 right, bad hook. 100, stop, 6 left, 70, 3 left, minus at the pier, slippy. 200 up the middle, brake at wall end, late, 4 left after the sign, 30 shiny, hairpin right around the route, neat, it's shiny, into flat 5 left, 40, long 4 right opens after wall, 50, long, very long 3 left lips, shiny late, and longish 3 right, and flat 5 left, 60 over jump, 4 left over crest, don't fail inside, 40, very long 3 right plus shiny, go at sign 80, flat 5 left foot over jump, 100, 4 left plus is lucky, 100, flat crest, 40, flat 5 right, minus over bumps, 130 over bumps, very long 4 right plus, very snippy mud, it tightens over bad bumps to the side, 70, fast chicane, right entry 4 bales, and 5 left, 5 right line over jump bridge, 60 over bumps, flat 6 right, 3, 30, decent braking, turn very tight, square right, hook, it opens over mud inside and water, into a short 2 left plus, slippy, water, care, 230 over rough and brown, muddy 2 left, hook, very treacherous, 60, care, long 5 left and short 5 right over crest, short 5 left through firm, 200 over very bad bumps on the braking, stop, 5 right only 40, 3 right maybe, slippy, 30, slippy, 4 left, nips at the bell, 60, brake, slippy, longish, square left, tidy, in, over big mud, 80, 3 right, hook, slippy, over bumps, 130 over bumps, slow, 5 right and turn acute hairpin left, around the side, big hook, it's very slippy on the exit, 80, double crest, brake, 60, slippy braking, longish, 3 right minus down, big mud, 60, flat 6 left over crest, 130, crest bumps, long 5 right, bumpy and care, 5 right over crest to the house, 60, care, late 4 left, hook, over bad hook, and flat crest, 80, long, 3 left plus, big hook, cut, big hook, 200 is loose, very rough, gravel, brake, longish, 5 left, only 40, 3 right, and the last hole, big hook, hook it, big hook, hook, 70 watch your braking, square right plus, hook, Watch your braking. 170. Crest. Into caution. Late short, 3 left. Look. It's shiny after the shed. Water 200. Over flat crest. Caution. Long 3 left. At the gate, very slippy. Bail outside into crest. Flat 4 right. 70. Very late. Short. 3 right. Look. 200. Buddy. 4 left. Look. In around the pole over brown. 80. Turn early. Square right minus Jolt. It's shiny. And along flat 5 right. 100. Slide left over flat crest. 50. Flat 6 left. 200. 4 left up. Cut over muck. And a short. 4 right. Look in over crest. Hook. 100. Late. 4 right. Plus shiny. Clip over crest. Hook. 100. Very long. Flat 5 left minus. Opens over crest into bump. 170. Skip. Flat 5 right. Clip. Watch it. 100. Longish. 4 left. Don't. Bump inside. Hook. 100. Flat crest. 150. Short. 4 right. Plus in over crest. 1. 300. Stop. Slippy braking. Water. Watch it. 3 left. Slippy. Foot. Water inside. Watch it. 150. Wipeout. Crest. Sun. 2 right. Plus. Wipeout. 60. Flat 6 left. 60. Flat crest. 60 again. 6 left in a stop. 4 right. Plus only 60. 1 left. Don't. Very, very shiny. 40. Flat crest. 200. Shortish 3 right plus. That's shortish 3 right plus. 130. 4 right minus. Stop. 40. Very late. 2 left plus. Cut. Flat 3 right. Muck. Plus and cut. The very long 4 left plus deceptive into short 5 right minus. 40. Flat 6 left. 200 up the middle, 4 right plus continues for 80 and nips at the pole. 100 brake, 2 left, don't close it. 150. Left on big crest, down into square right, neat, hug, it's very shiny on the exit. 40, flat 6 left. 200. Flat 5 left at the house, 90 brake. Into long, 3 left plus it opens over Smallwood. 60, flat 6 right. 150, 5 left. Minus max, clip, stop. 100 down the middle, early, square right, wide. It's very slippy, very slippy. 80, long, 6 right. And right on max crest, jump, only 50, 4 left. 100, flat 6 left, 100, 4 right and a hairy pole, and 300 over the finish. Tell me when you finish.
Coming up now? No.
851.
Nice?
Yeah.
Nice it up?
Very mucky, isn't it?
Nice, good fun though.